Cold, mama.
If she don't want it, then you eat it.
Put it up, put it up, put it up, put it up, put it up. Put it up. Put it up. How you doing, guys? So basically, right, this video, right, I was searching on YouTube, right, about a few things, right, and next thing you know, for the second, third time it came up, create a song for your loved one, right? So I seen how a woman was crying, and I said, you know what, let me do something special for my baby, right? So it's Mother's Day, right, and I created the song, right, and I played it as soon as we came out of church, right? And man, you guys gotta enjoy this video, man. You hear me? Cause it has nothing to do with landscaping, but it's gonna inspire you to do something special for your wife or for your loved one out there, man. Happy Mother's Day, man. Gonna touch your heart, man. God bless you all, and enjoy the video, man. All right? Cold, mama. I got your face on.
If she don't want it, then you eat it.
Put it up, put it up, put it up, put it up, put it up. Put it up. Put it up.
Side by side, I remember that first swipe, a hopeful message on the screen, a different kind of light than any I had ever seen. We found a table at my mother's place, Domino's pizza, a simple feast. But I saw kindness in your face, my heart found its perfect peace. And then I saw your strength, my Esther. You're the bedrock of my world, a mother strong and so true. For Emerald, Esmeralda, Esther is too. And Giant and Jeremiah, always loved by you. My trust in you runs deep and wide. With you, there's nothing left to hide. This life
was tough.
How you did that? That was cute. I love that. That was cute. About the truck.